Hello and welcome to Learn to Draw today, and what we're going to be drawing today is a retro television. So we're going to start with a sort of square shape. So I'm going to draw in something that looks a bit like a square shape. But if you don't get it perfect, don't mind, because this is fun drawing, it's not rocket science, and it's a retro television. There's nothing not to love about this television. So this is the screen, so then we're going to add the bit around, and we need to leave room on one side for all of the knobs. So we're going to come fairly close to this side of the television and fairly close to the top. And then we're going to go a little bit further away from this side of the television and then a big way further from this side. Now I'm going to make my paper turn around because I'm going to find it a little bit easier to draw from the other side. So over here are going our knobs, so I'm going to add some knobs to my television. I'm going to add a couple of knobs, and I want a knob with a bar across this side. So it's going to be easier for me if I actually draw the bar first. So let's go and draw the bar on top of the knob, and then we're just going to draw in the two sides of the knob. Now the television's going to have an antenna, so we'll draw in a little antenna and a couple of little things for picking up the signal. And then we need some legs. Now the legs are going to be really retro legs, so I'm going to mark the point where my legs are going to come to, and I'm going to draw them as little sort of triangular shapes like this. And then they're going to have little feet. So there's our retro television set, nice and simple. And if you wanted to, you could actually draw a program in place on the television. So maybe draw your favorite program. I hope you've enjoyed this Learn to Draw video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Click to subscribe to my channel and click on notifications, and we'll let you know when new videos are released. Until next time, I'm Helen Bradley, and thank you for joining me here at Learn to Draw today.